In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom Canva frames in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean, reusable frame look using a patterned background and simple shapes, all inside Figma. Start by opening Figma and creating a new design file, or opening an existing one where you want the frame to live. Give yourself a little room on the canvas so you can see the full composition as it comes together. Next, head to the Plugins menu in the top bar. We're going to use the Pixabay plugin to grab a pattern quickly. If you don't see it in your list, you can install it from the Figma community, then return to your file and open it from Plugins. Once the Pixabay window is open, type the word pattern in the search field and run the search. You'll see a range of textures and designs. Choose something that matches your brand style. Geometric, organic, or minimalist all work well. Insert the image into your canvas. With the image selected, look to the right-hand sidebar. Open the Styles and Variables controls to reveal the image fill options. This is where we'll adjust how the image behaves inside the layer. Change the image fill mode to Tile. Tiling repeats the image so you're not stretching a small asset across a large frame. It keeps details crisp and consistent, which is perfect for background textures. Now expand the image to the size you want your frame background to be. You can drag the layer's handles to make it larger, or adjust the scale in the image settings if you prefer precise control. Keep an eye on how the pattern repeats. Aim for even spacing, and avoid obvious seams. Add a rectangle on top of the pattern. This will define the main window area of your frame. Set the rectangle's fill color to white. The white shape creates contrast and a clean focal area, much like the opening of a frame in Canva. Position it where you want the content to sit. Centered usually looks best, and resize it to the proportions you need. Finally, make your adjustments. Ensure the pattern layer sits behind the white rectangle. Tweak the rectangle's size, corner radius if you want softer edges, and alignment using the toolbar to center everything perfectly. Nudge elements with the arrow keys for pixel-perfect placement, and zoom in to check edges and spacing. If the pattern feels too strong, reduce its opacity slightly so the foreground content remains the hero. That's it. You've created a custom Canva-style frame look in Figma that you can reuse across your projects.